Hello my friends, you're welcome to solve this math problem, which is square root of x plus 2 over square root of x minus 2 is equal to square root of x plus 2 to find the value of x. In the first step, in here we have square root of x plus 2 and in here we have square root of x plus 2. So we take square root of x plus 2, we let this as t, okay, and in here square root of x, we take these two to the right side, it will be t minus 2. So we substitute this on this equation, so it will be square root of x plus 2 is t, so we write t, and in here the square root of x is t minus 2, so this is t minus 2, and t minus 2 minus this 2, it will be t minus 4, and is equal to this, and this is x. Also this is, okay, sorry, this is t. We let this as t, so write this as t. In the next step, we raise both sides of this equation to the power of 2, so it will be t over t minus 4 to the power of 2 is equal to t to the power of 2. And in here, these two power of 2 will cancel this square root, so it will be t over t minus 4 is equal to t square. And this is also t square over 1. And in here we can cross multiplication. So it will be t square times t minus 2, it will be t cube minus 4t square is equal to t times 1 is t. In the next step, we take this t to the left side, so it will be in here t cube minus 4t square minus t is equal to 0. And t is common, so we factor t. In here it will be t square minus in here 4t, and in here negative 1 is equal to 0. So in here we have two solutions for t. T is equal to 0 and t square minus 4t minus 1 is equal to 0. From here, t is equal to 0 and t in here, t is equal to square root of x plus 2. So we write this square root of x plus 2 is equal t. So square root of x plus 2 is t and t is 0, so square root of x plus 2 is equal to 0 and square root of x is equal to negative 2, and this is refused because this is a square root of x is a positive and negative 2 is negative. And in here this is a quadratic equation, so we use quadratic formula, which is t is equal to negative b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac over 2a. And in here, a is equal to coefficient of t. This is 1, and b is coefficient of, a is coefficient of t square, and b is coefficient of t. This is negative 4, and c is constant. This is negative 1. And in here, t is equal to negative b. Negative 4 is 4, positive 4, and plus or minus square root of b square is negative 4 to the power of 2 is 16, and minus 4ac. 4 times a is 4 times 1 is 4, and 4 times negative 1 is negative 4, and negative 4 is positive 4 over 2 times 1 is 2. And in here, t is equal to 4 plus or minus square root of 20 divided by 2. And square root of 20, we write in here, square root of 20 is equal to square root of 4 times 5. And this is square root of 4 is 2 times square root of 5. So square root of 20 is equal to 2 times square root of 5. So in here, t is equal to 4 plus or minus 2 times square root of 5 over 2. And in here, t is equal to 4 divided by 2 is 2, and plus or minus, this will cancel this, square root of 5. Okay? And in here, t is equal to square root of x plus 2. So we write in here, t is equal to, in here, t is 2 plus or minus square root of 5. We write in here, t is equal to 2 plus square root of 5. Okay, we find x for this. So x is t is square root of x plus 2. Square root of x plus 2 is equal to this, 2 plus square root of 5. And in here, square root of x is equal to square root of 5, and x is equal to 5. And also, t is equal to 2 minus square root of 5. In here, we write positive square root of 5, and in here, negative square root of 5. Okay? So, square root of x plus 2 is equal to t, and t is 2 minus square root of 5. And in here, square root of x is equal to negative square root of 5. And in here, this is positive and this is negative, so this will refuse. So our answer for x in here is x is equal to 5, and this is our final answer. So we write in here, x is equal to 5. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.